Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming network and compatibility so printing actually works. Check that your iPhone and printer share the same Wi-Fi network. Many printers prefer 4 GHz for discovery. Next, determine whether the printer supports AirPrint. If not, plan to install the manufacturer app. Power the printer and enable its wireless mode or plug it into the router. Once done, open Settings on your iPhone to verify Wi-Fi and make sure Bluetooth is off to avoid confusion during discovery. Now you connect and configure the job itself. Open the file, tap Share, then Print. Your iPhone will search for nearby AirPrint printers. If you see the printer name, select it and choose options for copies, pages, color, and paper size. This ensures the output matches your needs. If the printer isn't listed, open the manufacturer app. It often discovers network printers and exposes advanced settings like trays and resolution. Make sure to set the correct paper type and duplex if you need double-sided printing. Finish by sending the job and confirming output. Tap Print and open the Print Center on the lock screen or app switcher to monitor status. This shows queuing and errors. If printing fails, restart the printer and router, then reconnect your iPhone to Wi-Fi network. Refresh fixes most issues. Also update the printer firmware and the maker's app for compatibility. If nothing works, try a different network, use a Lightning to USB adapter for direct connection, or consult the printer's diagnostic logs for clues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.